पंप देखा पंप के बाद हेट घुमा बैठने करंट सेक्टर देखा This is one of the Electroweld brand 30 kVA resistance spot welding machine. It has got 30 kVA resistance welding transformer inside the machine. It has got a microcontroller on which you can adjust the current over here, the squeeze time, the weld time and the forge time over here. This one here is the timer on off switch. This one here is a weld no weld switch. When you want to weld, you have to put the toggle switch towards the weld side. This over here is a coarse current selector switch. Depending upon the thickness of the sheets to be welded, you can adjust the current first over here. Then you can adjust this pot for fine setting of the spot welding current. This over here is the solenoid valve. This one is pneumatic cylinder. This one, this side is FRL. This is air filter. This is pressure gauge showing the pressure to be applied for welding, which can be adjusted with this knob. This over here is the air lubricator. Here you have to put the oil till this level for lubricating the air to be passed to this cylinder for proper functioning of the cylinder. This here is the inlet air pipe. You can press it in this nipple and tighten. Here are the two chromium copper spot welding electrodes. Over here is the current initiating foot switch. This here is the water circulation pump which circulates on the secondary side till the electrodes, so that electrodes do not get heated while producing number of spots per day. Now we will show you the working. Supposing we wish to weld 2 mm plus 2 mm thick MS components. For this you have to adjust the current over here. So keep at number 3 and then current over here you can set say number 5, say 50% of the particular tap. Then squeeze time keep at number 3, say these are about 30 cycles. Then the weld cycles you can keep at number 10, and this forge cycles you can keep at number 10 cycles, and then switch on this no weld switch like this. Pressure over here you can keep for 2 mm plus 2 mm sheets, say about 40 psi like this here. Then now the machine is ready for spot welding. We will show you the welding. Hold these two pieces to be welded in between the electrodes. Then press this foot switch. You will see the welding will take place and the current cutoff will be automatic. See, this is how it is welded. Thank you. we'll once again show the spot welding of 16 gauge, say 1.6 mm plus 1.6 mm thick components. For this again, we have to adjust the current over here. We keep at number 2, and then the fine current, let it be at number 5. That is the 50% of the particular tap. Then squeeze time, let it be same. Weld time, let it be same, say about 10 cycles. And the forward time, again the 10 cycles. Pressure, you can bring down to say about 35 psi by rotating the knob anti-clockwise and then pressing this knob. So the pressure is locked. Now you can spot weld 16 gauge MS components by putting the two sheets together in between the electrodes, and by depressing the foot switch. Now you will see the welding will take place, the current cutoff will be automatic. See, this is how it is spot welded. Now this joint will never break. Thank you. On this machine you can also weld the kitchen baskets by overlapping rods over each other. First we will switch on the power supply on the timer. Then, say supposing we wish to weld 6 mm plus 6 mm rods of SS for kitchen baskets. Then first we have to adjust the current. So keep it number 3. Again the fine current rating knob, you can keep it at say number 6, that is 60% of the particular tap current. Squeeze time say about 30 cycles, the weld time about 10 cycles, and the forge time about 10 cycles. And the pressure over here you can adjust for 6 mm plus 6 mm rods to say about 30 psi. Like this, you can read the pressure 30 psi. Now 3 parameters like current, pressure and the weld time, they are adjusted. Now we can show you the welding of 6 mm plus 6 mm SS wire rods by putting the 2 rods between the 2 electrodes, which are both flat electrodes, and then by pressing this foot switch you will see the welding will take place and the current cutoff will be automatic. See, this is how it is welded. You can keep on welding kitchen wire baskets by changing the distance of the job. Thank you. You can also weld nuts on the MS components for automobiles or any other applications. Now this is the weld nut. It has got 4 projections at the bottom, and supposing this is an MS strip where you want to weld the nut, you keep the MS strip and the nut between the 2 electrodes like this. Then press the initial foot switch like this. You will see the welding taking place and the current cutoff will take place automatically. See, this is how the nut also can be welded on this machine. For this you have to set the settings as per the data given in the manual, and then you can do the welding. Thank you.